we just got a microwave, and I haven't had a microwave at this house. At my dad's house, we do have a microwave. But so we just got a microwave, and it's like an old looking one, but it's not actually old. Nostalgia Electrics, whatever. But it's pretty cool. So what I really like to do, grab these marshmallows, is get a marshmallow. Some of you might not know this, but if you put a marshmallow in the microwave, it can go to 3 times its size. So look at this little rinky dinky marshmallow. And then put it in here. Power 10. And I gotta change the time to, I'm gonna say 20 seconds. So it's like tiny. And now we put it in there. And ready? Start. You see the marshmallow? So I don't think. What? Alright, let me set that again. So, remember how it looks super small, and then when it comes out, it's going to be super big. Ready? And done. Look at how big it is now. It's huge. Alright, shut up. Look at that. It's pretty hot. So, I'm going to grab a fork. Alright, now let's try it. Had to switch hands because I'm lefty. Alright, let's try it. Damn, zoom out, okay. Why can I not see the inside? Hello? Hello? I don't think we cooked it for long enough. But the inside turns like a golden brown. It's really cool. And now, whenever you pick it up, it gets like hardens. So yeah. It's pretty good. It's pretty cool.